Want to transform your Minecraft world into something truly unique? Today, we're diving into the world of custom texture packs, so you can personalize your game and make it your own. Let's get started. First, create a new folder. You can name it whatever you want. Like my awesome pack, this is where you'll store all your custom textures inside. We need a subfolder named Assets. This is very important. Inside the Assets folder, create another folder named Minecraft, all lowercase. This is where we'll organize our textures. Now, what aspects do you want to change? Let's say blocks. Inside the Minecraft folder, make a new folder and call it Textures. And inside that, create a folder called Blocks. Here is where all of your block assets will go. Time to get creative. Find the image of the block you want to change on Google Images. Once you've chosen your image, go to your favorite image editing software to edit it. Each block in Minecraft has a corresponding PNG file. You'll need to ensure the image dimensions you use match those of the existing Minecraft textures, which are typically 16 by 16 pixels. Save your new image using the same file name as the original block, like Diarytapping, and put this image in the blocks folder inside your textures folder. Now, launch Minecraft. Go to Options, then Resource Packs. Click Open Pack Folder. Take the folder you created and drag it into this newly opened folder. Close the folder and back in Minecraft, you should see your new texture pack appearing in the list. Select your pack and move it to the selected side. Click Done. Voila! Your Minecraft world should now reflect your custom textures, letting you fully customize your gaming experience. You can apply this process to other Minecraft assets by finding where they're located within the Minecraft directory and file structure. Happy crafting! And don't forget to subscribe for more Minecraft tips.